Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be solving the equation E equals 3v times the quantity 4 minus 2 divided by r for the variable r. This may look a little intimidating at first, but don't worry. I will guide you through each step of the process to simplify the equation and solve for r. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started. To solve the equation E equals 3v, open parenthesis, 4 minus 2 divided by r closed parenthesis. For r, we start by simplifying the equation. The first step is to distribute 3v to both terms inside the parenthesis. This gives us E equals 3v times 4 minus 3v times 2 divided by r. Simplifying the multiplication, we get E equals 12 versus minus 6 versus divided by r. This step makes it easier to isolate r later on. Next, we need to isolate the variable r. We start by moving the term 6 versus divided by r to the left side of the equation. To do this, we subtract 12v from both sides. This gives us E minus 12 versus equals minus 6 versus divided by r. Now, to clear the fraction, we multiply both sides of the equation by r. This results in r times E minus 12 versus equals minus 6v. Finally, we isolate r by dividing both sides by E minus 12v. This gives us r equals minus 6 versus divided by E minus 12v. This step reveals the expression for r in its simplest fraction form, effectively solving the equation. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.